Hello dear students of class 9 and 10. Welcome to Kaliapur online class on behalf of Amar Ghare Amar School. How are you? Hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am fine according to your prayers. I am Saida Bilkis Khanum, assistant teacher, Narnagar High School, Kaliapur, Gazipur. Students, now I want to share something with you that my hometown is Mymensingh. As my hometown is Mymensingh, so I would like to talk about a personality who is related to Mymensingh. Could you Google the personality? Yes, you are right. Today I am going to talk you about an extraordinary and outstanding talented person, Jainul Abidin. You know, he is a great artist both nationally and internationally. Are you excited to learn today's class? Let's start, dear students. After discussion of this class, we will be able to number 1, know about Jainul Abidin, number 2, know about Jainul Abidin Sanghrahashala, number 3, look the series of pictures of Jainul Abidin. Now I will read the passage from the textbook. The pioneer of Bangladeshi modern art, Jainul Abidin, is widely acclaimed for his Bengal female sketches. Through the series of sketches, Jainul Abidin not only documented the rash famine of 1943 but also showed its sinister face through the sketched figures of the people destined to die of starvation in a man-made plate. He depicted these extremely shocking pictures with human compassion. He made his own ink by burning charcoal and used cheap ordinary packing paper for sketching. Use the ink and applying the brush were necessary. He produced the drawings and sketches which later became iconic images of human sufferings. Jainul developed a knack for drawing and painting when he was a high school student. After completing high school, he took admission in the Government School of Art, Calcutta, now Kolkata. He graduated with the first position in the first class in 1938. He was appointed a teacher of the art school while he was still a student there. He also attended the Slade School of Arts, London during 1951 to 52. Jainul Abidin is considered the founding father of Bangladeshi art. He was an artist of outstanding talent and earned international reputation. For his artistic and visionary qualities, he is referred to as Shilpacharya, meaning great teacher of art in Bangladesh. He was the first principal of the first art school in Dhaka in East Pakistan, now Bangladesh. He organized the Nabanna Harvest exhibition in 1969. The exhibition included a 65 feet long scroll portraying the rural East Pakistan in phases from abundance to poverty. This intensified the already heightened non-cooperation movement against the Pakistan regime. The exhibition was symbolic of the Bengali artist protest and a milestone in our struggle for cultural and political freedom. Jainul's dynamic style of work is evident in a 30 feet long scroll painting called Manpura, which was done to commemorate the death of hundreds and thousands of people in the devastating cyclone of 1970. He designed the phases of the Constitution of the Bangladesh. He founded the Folk Art Museum at Sonargaon and also Jainul Abidin Sanghrahashala, a gallery of his own works in Mymensingh in 1975. The river Brahmaputra played a vital role in his paintings and was a source of inspiration all through his career. Much of his childhood he was spent near the scenic river Brahmaputra. A series of watercolors that Jainul did as his tribute to the river earned him the Governor's Gold Medal in an All India exhibition in 1938. This was the first time that he came into spotlight, and his award gave him the confidence to create his own visual style. Jainul Abidin was born in Kishoreganj on 29 December in 1914 and died in the Dhaka on 28 May 1976. The passage is adopted from the Daily Star on Thursday, July 16 in 2012. My students, open your notebook and write down the meaning of difficult words and synonym and antonyms. Notice pioneer. Its Bengali meaning is Agropathi. Its synonym is fast and its antonym is last. Famine. Its Bengali meaning is Durbhiksha. Its synonym is starvation. And its antonym is abundance. Sketch. Its Bengali meaning is rekha and chitra, and its synonym is drawing. It has no antonym. Acclaim is প্রশংসা করা. Its synonym is praise or admire. And its antonym is insult or blame. Next, sinister. Its Bengali meaning is Ashubha. Its synonym is evil and its antonym is good. Next, compassion. Its Bengali meaning is Sahamormita and its synonym is sympathy and its antonym is cruelty. Next, reputation. Reputation means খ্যাতি or অথবা সুনাম. Its synonym is fame and its antonym is disrespect. Next, scrolls. Scrolls Bengali meaning is গোটানো কাগজ and its synonym is parchment. It has no antonym. Dynamic means গতিময় বা প্রাণবন্ত. Its synonym is energetic and its antonym is fruitless. Devastating means বিধ্বংসী. Its synonym is destructive and its antonym is creative. Look at that series of pictures. Now I am telling about them in brief. In picture 1, I can see a skeletal human figure sitting beside a road. I think the person is suffering from starvation. Are you agree with me? I think you agree with me. In picture 2, I think picture 2 portrays two women who are going to work. Right you are? In picture 3, I think the third picture is very much shocking. Here a crow is sitting on a dead body. The person might be die from hunger. A dog is lying beside. Picture 4, I think the picture is about the rainy season. Some people are sitting on the boats and some are playing the boats. In picture 5 is of a village. The village is beside a river. We can also see that the sky is covered with clouds. In picture 6 depicts two men and two cows. It is a scene of plowing land. The two men are on a laborer. They are preparing a piece of land of cultivation. In picture 7, we can see that two cows are pulling a cart and a muscular man is pushing the cart. It's a symbolic picture. The picture symbolizes hardship of rural people. Students, now I am telling you the summary or the main idea of this passage. Zainul Abidin is the pioneer of Bangladeshi modern art. He was born on 29 December in 1914 in Kishoreganj. After graduating with credit, he served as a teacher for many years. He was an artist of outstanding talent and showed it in his different sketches, which were acclaimed both nationally or internationally. He is also famous for designing the passage of Constitution of Bangladesh, founding the Folk Art Museum at Sonargaon, and also Zainul Abidin Sangrohshala in Mymensingh. Let's know about more Zainul Abidin Sangrohshala, which is a gallery of his own works in Mymensingh in 1975. During a visit to Shilpacharya Zainul Abidin Sangrohshala at Saheb Quarter Park area of Mymensingh town on Tuesday, Dan Mozina, the US ambassador to Bangladesh, spoke highly about the Bangladeshi master trainer. The art gallery was established in 1975 to preserve the master painter's artworks in his hometown. There are 62 artworks on different aspects of life and nature by Shilpacharya at the art gallery. The art gallery also includes 53 memorabilia. Commenting on the art gallery, Mozina said, "This museum is a global treasure. I am honored that my colleagues and I had this opportunity to experience the art of Zainul Abidin in his hometown. I am well acquainted with his work, especially the Feminine series, as I visited several exhibitions of his works in Washington, D.C., where it was received with great acclaim." The ambassador also said that Zainul Abidin was a true genius. His works are so simple yet so complex and powerful at the same time. Now, choose the best answer from the alternative. The US ambassador to Bangladesh considered Zainul Abidin a great painter, popular painter, master painter, unique painter. It will be master painter. Zainul's art gallery was set up in 1972, 1973, 1974, 1975. It will be 1975. The number of Zainul's artworks preserved in the gallery is 53, 62, 55, 75. It will be 62. The US ambassador commented that the museum is a global wealth, asset, gift, treasure. It will be treasure. The US ambassador was in the gallery for 3 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, half hour. It will be a 1 hour. It is time to give you home task. Write a paragraph about Zainul Abidin. You should write it about 15 sentences. You do this home task carefully and attentively. When your school reopen, you have to submit this home task your subject teacher. Dear students, we have to talk about the great artist Zainul Abidin. Hope that you are all enjoyed it. You know, now we are in pandemic situation, so we have to follow the instruction of government and wash your hand again and again and stay home, stay safe. My students, to watch this class again, keep in touch with Facebook page or YouTube channel of Amar Ghore Amar School or Kaliapur online class or my YouTube channel Saida Bilkis Khanum. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.